Hey boys and girls of YouTube, this is Gun Wild and welcome to my very first video. The reason for this video is that I had to enter Firearmpops 500 sub contest and I actually won first prize. And I got my prize in the mail on Saturday and I wanted to do an opening. And I'm going to open it up with my M-Tech Firefighter Edition. I believe this blade is called a Karambit. And here we go. For you, those of you that have watched Firearmpops videos, I'm sure you all know this is a red and green dot scope or sight, red dot sight. There's a note in here. It says, "Dear friend, thanks for being a subscriber. Hope you continue to enjoy my videos. Enclosed is the item you won during my 500 sub contest. Be safe and may God bless you and your family. Firearmpop." Pull it out of here. And this is a nice little red dot sight, red and green dot. Let's see. I'm sure I have to install the batteries in it right now, but there it is. Beautiful sight. Thank you, Firearmpop. I really appreciate this. This is gonna get some very good use. Mount it to maybe a rifle, or the only pistol I have that I can mount this to is I got my Smith & Wesson 22A. This is the only pistol I have with a rail set up on it, and I actually use this for doing steel challenge competitions. So maybe it'll come in handy for that. But once again, Firearmpop, thank you very much for this. It will get a lot of good use. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.